This is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and Mander, I got a good one for you. I got a 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. This car's finished in triple black, black interior, black top, black outside, chrome wheels. Got brand new headlights on the car. It is a 3LT. It has the LS3 motor in it, and it has 28,000 original miles on this car right here. Tons of options. We're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Like I said, this car is absolutely gorgeous. It has them chrome wheels, brand new Morimoto headlights on it. Absolutely gorgeous car right here. And we're going to take a look. Look at the passenger side of the interior first. All the interior is finished beautifully. No dash cracks. Really, really looks good. Nice and clean. It's got the Bose stereo system, heads-up display, heated seats. It's got the magnetic ride control right there, which is a big plus on these cars. So, absolutely gorgeous. Shut the door here. Look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk, there's lots of room. I'll show you. Lots of room for storage, golf clubs, anything that you'd really like to put in there. It'll fit. Got 2 storage compartments on each side, which is a big plus and nice. It's got the Corvette insignia there. But we'll shut the trunk here. Dad'll start it up for us. Really sounds good. Cut it off here. Show you all of the. It's got all the gauges are work, and like I said, heated seats, magnetic ride control. It's got navigation, heads-up display, just lots of options. Paddle shift. So really, really cool. And 28,000 original miles just makes it even better. I love a triple black car. Shut the door here. Take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, it has the LS3 Corvette engine in it. Really, really clean under the hood. Been meticulously cared for. Really looks good. Shut the hood here. We'll take one more quick look at the 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. If you have any questions about this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this Corvette for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible for a test drive. Like I said, it's got all the great options on it. Heads-up display, you can see there. Heated seats, air conditioner works great. It's got a good radio. It does have navigation built into it as well, which is a big plus. And 28,000 original miles. What else could you want besides putting the top down? Going for a cruise. Triple black Corvette right here, baby. You got a little bit of traffic coming. I think they opened up the floodgates on this day. They can do that too. All right, here we go. Here we go. Just runs and drives exceptionally. Just a great cruising car. It ain't got much nicer than this right here. Perfect night to be driving. Yeah, put the top down and go for a cruise. I'm gonna turn around and head back here. And like I say every time, I'm gonna have Dad get on it just a little bit. We'll see what this Corvette's made of. The car really runs and drives exceptionally. No shakes or rattles in the car. Doesn't pull to the left or the right. Just a really, really good driving car. All right, here we go. Get on it just a little bit. Car's got good power, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running driving car.
Drive it slow, you can drive it fast, you can drive it anywhere.
That's right. So we're almost back here. And like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. 859-621-5572. On our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. This will conclude our test drive video. Thanks for tuning in. All right, we're going to conclude the test drive.